Yo, what's going on everyone? Just filming a little video on the truck, on the Prerunner F-150. I know it's been a while since I did an update on it. I've seen a lot of comments on some of my old videos and even my Instagram asking about this thing. Since this is more of a personal project, I don't really post much of it on my Instagram or on the business Instagram. I'll be happy to post more of it if it's stuff you guys want to see. So let's take a look at some of the stuff that I've done the last year. It's not much, but it's a bit. I wish it was done by now, but that's not the case. The business has grown quite a bit in the last year, thankfully. I now have 2 guys working for me pretty much full time. We've been doing a lot of this stuff, handrails. A little crazy one here. We got another one over here. So thankfully, we've been staying busy, but it hasn't allowed for much time to work on this. But like I said, I just hired another guy pretty much full time. So hopefully I'll have more time to work on this. So here's where the truck is at. Realistically, he only needs to finish the X over here. So 2 tubes on this side, 2 tubes over on the other side. We're gonna put a V here, so tube going from that bottom corner up to the center here, and then from that corner to the center, and then from here over to the center as well. And then that's pretty much all the tube work that the back needs. We're still gonna box out the frame. We're gonna get it all boxed out, get this bent up, like I said, all boxed out nicely, and then just to stiffen it all up. And then we're also I'm gonna throw an overlay plate on the whole frame. And then, so that's a lie, we'll need a few more tubes. So once the truck is all done and rolling and driving, I plan on finishing up the spare tire situation. Plan on mounting 2 spare tires back here. But for that, I want to wait until the truck is rolling and driving, and then I'll add that. And then we'll move to the front. Now that I have more people helping me, should be able to work on it more. I'm hoping to have it done before spring this year, and that's including the whole back, the whole front, and potentially the cab, because I do want to cage this thing. And realistically, all the truck needs is just work, cut tubes, bend tubes, weld, because I have everything ready to go. Bypasses, rear bypasses, 3/0s, 2 5s front. We got the coils, we got bump stops, we got coilovers back there. We got everything. So, like I said, the truck just needs a little bit more work, mostly just man hours. Hoping to have it done before the spring. I even have all the tubes for it down there. But here it is. I know some people. I saw one comment saying or asking what mounts I used. I already made a video about this, but I used the whole Rough Stuff Specialties 4-link kit. So those are mounts that come with the kit. The only mounts that I was not able to use are for the upper links. I had to make my own ones. But if you go back and watch the video, I go over that. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know, whether it's on here, Instagram. I'll put my personal Instagram in the description, also my business one. And if you're interested in seeing some of the stuff that we do for work, for the customers and stuff, go follow a lot. Thank you for watching. Later.